Pakistan is in a big mess, and all because the United Nations has confirmed that Dawood Ibrahim is a state guest of Pakistan. And on that, on the debate tonight, if I can have them on the screen up there, please. I have with me on the News Hour debate tonight from Pakistan, Mr. Jan Achakzai, leader of the PMLN, Ahmad Raza Kasuri of the All Pakistan Muslim League, Professor Ms. Talat Wizarat, Professor of International Relations at the Center for Applied and Policy Studies from Karachi, and with her also is Brigadier Haris Nawaz. Now, from the Indian side, G. Parthasarathy, former High Commissioner to Pakistan, RSN Singh, formerly RAW, Maruf Raza. This is what has happened. 700 meters from the Russian consulate, 1 kilometer from a police station, 2 kilometers from a Chinese consulate, and that's only 2 residences. That is exactly how protected is Dawood Ibrahim is while living in the heart of Karachi, now validated by the United Nations.
The News Hour debate begins in 3 minutes. His presence in Karachi is Pakistan's worst kept secret. And now, United Nations has embarrassed Islamabad like never before. The UN Security Council's Al-Qaeda Sanctions Committee found 3 locations in Pakistan as the addresses of underworld don Dawood Ibrahim, some of which have been identified by Indian authorities.
Now has accessed a copy of the Dawood dossier, which was shared by India to Pakistan. While the United Nations has struck down 3 of the addresses from this dossier, it has validated one crucial address which figures in this dossier. While this dossier not only talks about Dawood's addresses, it also talks about the details of his siblings, the passports which was given to Dawood by Pakistan, and also the entire detail of the crime network of 11 of his associates.
उनका 6 ठिकाने भी पाकिस्तान में दाऊद इब्राहिम बनाए हुए हैं और प्रेजेंट टाइम में इस वक्त पाकिस्तान में मौजूद है।
भारत सरकार को पता है।
Pakistan has consistently maintained that Dawood Ibrahim is not in their country. But now, after the UN panel's confirmation, the Nawaz Sharif government has a lot to answer.
People like Dawood Ibrahim, Maulana Masood Azhar, Hafiz Saeed and many other terrorists who find protection of ISI and military establishment of Pakistan should be handed over to India.
India's dossier to Pakistan came months after Times Now tracked down Dawood's Karachi phone number, which was answered by his wife.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
हेलो वालेकुम अस्सलाम। क्या मैं मेजबीन शेख से बात कर रहा हूँ?
जी
मैडम, आप कराची से बोल रहे हैं?
जी जी, आप कौन?
जी मैडम, मुझे बस पूछना था, आप मिस्टर दाऊद इब्राहिम की बीवी हैं?
जी, वो सो रहे।
The underworld don for decades has enjoyed shelter in Pakistan. After the UN panel confirmation, will Pakistan extradite Dawood and bring him to justice? Bureau Report, Times Now. You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
I want Jan Achakzai from the PMLN to open up the debate. Mr. Achakzai, the United Nations has some validity for Pakistan, I presume, because every time you keep going crying to the United Nations over everything, that happens in Pakistan. I think tomorrow, if there's, the weather's bad in Pakistan, you're going to go crying to the United Nations. You've tried your best to internationalize Kashmir, everything. You just keep going to the UN. Now the UN has said, the same UN has said that Dawood Ibrahim is your guest. The address, White House near Saudi Mosque, Clifton. House number 37, 30th Street, Defense Housing Authority, Karachi, Pakistan. palatial bungalow in the hilly area of Nooriabad in Karachi. Now, what happens, Mr. Achakzai, is that you've been nailed because 2 out of these 3 addresses also feature in the dossier that India has compiled to prove Dawood's presence in your country. The United Nations retains these addresses. In other words, the United Nations validates India's claims. You understand, Mr. Achakzai? You've been nailed on Dawood.
Mr. Swami, can I? Okay,
Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, this is typical Indian narrative based on lies that the dossier presented to the UN, and it typically alleged Pakistan and malign Pakistan for all the bad that is happening in Kashmir and the rest of India.
Kashmir?
So simply, there is no take.
Where did Kashmir come from?
In Pakistan, we have nothing to do with Dawood. He's an Indian national. That is what you love to blame Pakistan. But you know the world is not buying the Indian narrative on terrorism, on sponsorship of terrorism in Kashmir, on operation in Kashmir. This is why you have lodged sedition against Amnesty International, because simply we have shown up the mirror to India that what is going on in Kashmir is simply you want to divert attention to by blaming Pakistan, by raising Balochistan, by raising Dawood issue. This is typical Indian sponsored narrative promoted by your media.
Right. Mr. Achakzai, sincerely from the bottom of my heart, congratulations for your spirited attempt at deflecting the debate. I thought you would next tell me about the kind of plants you are growing in the botanical garden in Karachi. My question was about Dawood. What are you talking about? Answer on Dawood. Answer on Dawood.
It's all propaganda, and I don't take propaganda seriously.
This is United Nations. What propaganda?
Lies. That is what the narrative of India
United
is.
Nations.
This is why the world is not buying.
United Nations.
Lost trust.
United Nations.
You've been telling lies. To
United
the
Nations
the
press
UN is
release.
supporting Pakistan and Kashmir.
UN press release and
Kofi
sanctions.
Annan send a letter to Pakistan.
UN
and
press
Kashmir.
release and
Ask
sanctions.
for fact-finding mission.
The
That is what the UN has said.
Sir,
that is what the world is saying.
I don't
because
I don't
lies
get it.
have been exposed
I don't
every
get
time
okay.
you blame Pakistan.
I don't understand. You see, Ahmad Raza Kasuri hopefully will be a little bit more, reasonable. Ahmad Raza Kasuri, please try. There's a UN press release and sanctions apart. We have compiled 3 other addresses where this fellow Dawood Ibrahim hops in and out. Moin Palace, 2nd floor near Abdullah Shah Ghazi Dargah, Karachi. Second, new residence purchased for him is Shireen Jinnah Colony near Ziauddin Hospital, Clifton, Karachi. This accommodation has been purchased in September 2013, is located near Ziauddin Hospital, where medical treatment can be provided to him wherever required. It is close to where Bilawal Zardari stays. Third, Mehjabeen Sheikh, wife of Dawood Ibrahim, DC 13, Block 4, Karachi Development Authority, SCH 5, Clifton, Karachi. And finally, Margala Road, P6/2, street number 22, house number 29, Islamabad. After all of this, you've got nowhere to hide this man now. What do you think? He's a gold mine? That you're going to hang on to him? It establishes that he's your guest in Pakistan. And Mr. Kasuri, answer the question, because it's something that has been said by the United Nations, not by RAW. The United Nations has said it. You have to listen to it.
May I?
Unless you want to become a rogue state, you have to take it with some seriousness. Yes, Mr. Kasuri, please, and then we'll open up the debate. Yeah, thank you.
Arnab, I live on the Magla Road from last 35 years or so.
Okay.
And I'm
not surprised.
I have never heard.
I'm not surprised.
I have never heard that any person.
Why am I not surprised?
Dawood Ibrahim is living on Magla Road.
Then why don't you go to P6/2, street number 22, house number 29?
I categorically deny. You are making a blatant lie. Your program is sponsored by RAW, and you are a very fine
Mr.
spokesman.
Parsat.
I congratulate you for conducting a RAW-sponsored and RAW-organized show.
I am asking you.
Let me tell you that
Mr.
all
Kasuri,
these shows are
Mr. Kasuri, why do you want to compliment me so much?
Ask United Nations what about the UN resolution of 1948?
There you are.
UN resolution of 5th of January 1951 and scores of other. What about them?
But you go
have
crying
been
to UN.
confirmed by United Nations.
But you go crying to the
long
UN every
ago.
time.
But you are
No,
don't
you-
believe
you
in
are the
giving a right
people.
of plebiscite to the people of Kashmir.
Sir, listen
Right
to
of
me.
plebiscite
Mr. Kasuri.
is called
Mr.
the
Kasuri.
Wilsonian
Kasuri.
concept of democracy.
Mr.
It was
Kasuri, it seems
Woodrow
to me
President Woodrow
tonight-
Wilson who gave this concept.
Mr. Kasuri,
of plebiscite
Mr.
that
Kasuri, I'll
every
get Partha to respond
nation
to you.
has inalienable right
Mr.
to
Kasuri.
decide its own future.
Mr.
If every nation has a right to decide its own future, why can't the Kashmiris have the right to decide their future?
Okay.
You see, this Kashmir is a unfinished agenda of the partition of the subcontinent.
You really
And it
are
was
paranoid.
decided under the
Same old line.
1947 Independence Act,
RSN.
which was passed by the
Dawood
British
is
Parliament.
equal to
RSN on the debate.
Those people
RSN on the
area
debate. I think we need to
where
start the
Hindus are
debate right now.
living and-
Sir, listen to me.
continuous-
Mr.
that was
Kasuri.
what a-
Mr. Kasuri.
brilliant
and
equation.
Mr. Kasuri.
What a brilliant
Muslims are living,
equation.
that will
Mr.
be
Mr.
Pakistan
Kasuri.
dominion. So
Mi-
on these
What a brilliant
principle,
equation.
Kashmir
Dawood is equal to
natural part
Kashmir.
of Pakistan. It
No,
is
no, one second.
contiguous and
I know,
large
Mr. Kasuri, Mr.
majority Muslim
Sir,
population.
sir,
We have got a
Mr. Kasuri.
hydraulic university.
I don't
Sir,
think
I am not at all. I am not at all surprised by your deniability, sir.
You are
RSN.
Deniability,
to illegal occupation.
deniability
If you
is
were
a
to
very
withdraw
important
your Indian
facet
troops
of
today,
proxy war.
Tomorrow, the Kashmiri will decide.
So
declare
therefore,
their
I am not at
UDI.
all surprised.
You are occupying.
But what
because
has
of your-
happened? What has happened
because
today
of your
is
tyranny, injustice,
that an
and
international
atrocity
agency,
that
the
your armed forces are
UNO,
committing. You have
has
not
verified,
allowed the
it has
Amnesty
approved the
International to
veracity
enter
of
into the
Indian
Kashmir Valley
inputs.
and to write about the
And
actual
therefore,
facts, what are happening there, and scores.
Mr. Kasuri.
we are in
hundreds
a
of people have lost
position
their
to
eyesight,
circumscribe
and
you
over 100 people have been
diplomatically
killed
and by
since
every other
since
means.
the
Mi-
killing
Dawood
of
Ibrahim
Burhan Wani.
was
Over
already-
100
has
people have been
already been
killed.
declared
All the people
an
in Kashmir
international
Mr. Kasuri.
terrorist in
you,
the past.
they are demanding
Now the
vigorously
next
for their
step after
independence,
this would
and
be
you
that
are
India should
trying
take up
to
with the UN
to organize this
urgently
kind of
that you are
raw
declared a
sponsored program
terrorist state.
in order to put
Okay.
curtain
Next
on your
logical step
atrocity,
should be
on your
that there should be
illegal
economic sanctions
occupation
on your
of
country.
people of Kashmir.
So therefore,
What are you talking
Mr.
about?
Kasuri, please
There's
stop.
No Ibrahim. There's no
it
such character
opens
like
up
Ibrahim in
huge
the
number
territorial
of
limits of
possibilities.
Pakistan.
RSN.
as
I
India is
categorically
concerned.
deny.
RSN 1 minute. RSN 1 minute. Mr. Kasuri, can I say something to you? We have a singer in India. Mr. Kasuri.
Can I ask
Mr.
one quick
Mr. Kasuri. Mr. Kasuri, we have a
Arnab,
singer
one
in
quick
India called
question.
Shankar Mahadevan.
We
He
have
sang a song
custody.
called Breathless,
We have a
in which
custody of
he
the
sang for a long time
spy,
without pausing to
Gulbashan
take a
Yadav.
breath. I think
We
you are
have
going to give him good
custody.
competition tonight. Listen to me, please, Mr. Achak Zai. Please understand, a man
Can I
like
just ask one
Osama bin
question?
Laden.
We have got an Indian spy in our custody.
Mr. Achak Zai.
Do you want his address?
Mr. Achak
Would you
Zai.
like to know?
What was
We have
Osama's
got
address?
A smoking gun.
What was
We have
Osama's
got a
address?
proof.
What
That's
was-
not a, your,
what was
your
Osama's
false
address?
Dossier.
What was
It's a
Osama's
fact.
address?
You are serving.
What was the address of Osama bin Laden?
Right now, in our custody.
Mr. Achak
we
Zai.
want to know.
Mr.
We
Achak
want
Zai.
to know.
Mr.
Do you
Achak-
have any answer for him?
Mr. Achak
Would
Zai,
you like to answer?
you can hear me. I
Would you
think
like
the line to
bother
Islamabad is
answer?
absolutely clear.
Why
Mr. Achak
would
Zai.
have in his custody?
Mr. Achak Zai.
That is called Gulbashan Yadav.
Mr.
Do you
Achak
want
Zai,
to say
what was-
something
what
about
was-
about your countryman?
what was Osama's
He is your
address?
fellow countryman.
What was
in
Osama's
our
address?
custody.
What was
And
Osama's address?
100 more people have been arrested.
Okay.
His colleagues. That is not a dossier.
Is
That is
involved
the fact
in
of
the
life.
killing of dozens of innocent Pakistani
We have an
travelers
answer
who
for
had
him.
gone to Delhi.
I think I'll get
You
G.
don't
Partha.
Attacked
You don't want to
Samjhota
answer.
Express. Please hand over Colonel Pro to us. Kindly hand over Colonel Pro
We
to
don't
us.
need to
We
prove
would
that.
like to try him in Pakistan. Why don't you hand over Colonel Pro to us, who was directly responsible in the killing of dozens of innocent Pakistani who were traveling on Samjhota Express?
And
Why don't you hand over to the
Sir,
us,
please check
Colonel
your
Pro?
facts.
Would you
Okay,
care
Arasat,
about your
please-
countryman who is
Sir,
in our
please check
custody?
your facts.
Do you want to answer?
David Headley,
have any
who
answer
was
for him?
educated,
That is a
he
smoking
did
gun.
his schooling
That's a
and his
fact.
education in
He-
your country. His Moroccan wife, Fawzia Utala, went
Do
to
you
the
want
US
any
embassy
proof?
and said
We
that
have
her
our
husband
custody, a
was
live man in
responsible
our
for
custody.
Samjhauta Blast.
Your Indian,
Please read the
Indian
report of
countryman.
US Treasury
India.
You have left your
Department, which
countryman
clearly says
languishing in our
that
Okay,
custody.
okay, tell me.
India is a-
Cater to why he was in
businessmen
Balochistan.
Arif
India is a
Khan,
Why he
terrorist.
was
an
here in
elitist-
Pakistan.
elitist
India is a
Was
supplier,
your
terrorist state.
picnic?
is a man
India
who
is a
So,
terrorist
how
state
come-
headed by a
operation
terrorist prime
of
minister.
Samjhauta
Mr.
Blast,
Modi's
sir.
hands are
Please check your
drenching
facts,
in the
and I want
blood
this
of
to be
the
taken to the UN. This Samjhauta thing, so that I mean, everything is put in black and white. You cannot get away.
You see,
with this Samjhauta thing. You have been repeating this time and again.
You see-
I'm telling you the facts.
You see, today, I am only quoting the United Nations today. My request is to let G. Parsati come into the debate. Baruf is still to come in, and Professor Talat
All the
Wizarat.
neighbor,
Professor,
you can't do that
sir,
to
please don't.
Pakistan.
Sir, listen
Don't
to me.
think that
Sir, listen. I know
Pakistan
you are
is
getting
India
more worked up about this than you are about
2016.
1971.
We are a nuclear power.
Sir,
We have
you
got
cannot-
You see, missile technology.
God.
We have got long-term and short range and long-range missile which can carry nuclear weapons.
Why do you get
so
these
don't
guys here?
dare
Why do you
look
get
at
them?
us. Don't dare. See, and don't take it us that we are 1971. That time is over. You can't bully Pakistan. You can't bully Pakistan. We are a sovereign state
Okay,
of 2,000 people,
2,000.
200 million people.
You are
200
not
million
grown
people
up to play
who
with
have
toys,
to respect
sir.
Pakistan's sovereignty. We are a
Listen,
bridge
toys?
between Central Asia, Middle East and South Asia, and we have that importance.
think G.
And the whole world recognize that importance.
Okay.
We are going to have Chinese investment worth $46 billion.
This is total
CPAC,
juvenile
you are trying to
delinquency,
destroy
sir.
that deal. You have a special cell in RAW to create hurdle in the implementation of CPAC. You have a special cell to destabilize
I think I'll get. I'll get G. Partha into the debate. Let's have a little serious debate out here.
We will not attack
Sir, I'm telling you, Mr. Kasuri, Mr. Kasuri, I'll complete your statement. Mr. Kasuri, you are a nuclear missile by yourself. Please listen to me now, I want G. Partha to come into the debate. Partha, the implications of two of these addresses being ratified by the United Nations. Please, can you put it in perspective?
Mr. Kasuri, I've been quiet. I've listened to you. I'm sure you will return the courtesy to somebody who has enjoyed the courtesy of Pakistanis for 5.5 years in your country. The fact of the matter is we are talking about a UN press release that we gave them 9 addresses where we believe Dawood was staying. In writing, the UN has confirmed 6 of these addresses. The 7th I have my doubts about because it is Maliha Lodi's residence. She could well have rented it out, but Maliha is a good friend of mine. Now, the fact of the matter is, Dawood is an internationally declared terrorist. That's the US designation, and followed up by the UN. I have driven past his house
Indian naval
in the
officer.
Defense Housing
He is in
Society.
Pakistan. He is in our
Please.
custody. He is destabilizing Balochistan. Would you cater to? Would you bother?
I'll come to Balochistan. I'll come to Balochistan. I will come to Balochistan, sir.
That is the problem.
Please give me, please, I will come to Balochistan.
The guy was
I will come to Balochistan.
He is in our custody.
Please
He is
let
your
me come to
countryman.
Balochistan.
And here you
I
have
didn't
got
interrupt you.
somebody who is a
I didn't
Waqi,
interrupt
that is named
you.
Dawood Ibrahim.
Okay.
And you
I
have
didn't interrupt
what you
you.
have is a false dossier.
Look, I
And that's
didn't
the problem,
inter-
that
I
the
didn't
false
interrupt you.
dossier simply
Let me complete
has no
on
credibility
Balochistan.
Because it
You
has
have raised
all
a question on
been prepared
Balochistan.
by your intelligence.
Okay, let him
and
complete.
Let me answer.
Agencies.
Sir, before,
it has
sir,
no credibility. And you think that-
Mr. Achakzai, do not forget, Mr. Achakzai, do not forget, the man we are talking about is the mastermind of the Mumbai serial blast on May 12th, 1993 that killed 257 people with ISI connivance, and he is now in Pakistan enjoying the view of the sea in Clifton. You need to understand what happened in the 130 minutes. He is sanctioned by the United Nations as having links links with the Al-Qaeda, Osama bin Laden and the Taliban. He's on the wanted list of individuals having links with the Al-Qaeda by the United Nations. He's declared a terror supporter by the US State Department in 2003. You have to be an absolute rogue and shameless terrorist state to be arguing on his behalf of the News Hour tonight.
Just the Indian false narrative.
May I raise a
buying
query?
it.
And let G. Partha complete his point.
Mr. Achakzai, I did not raise Balochistan.
We can have a civilized debate, or we can shout at each other.
Listen,
If you think
I
that
didn't
this is how we
interrupt
can
you.
have a
I didn't
debate,
interrupt
then
you.
That's your choice.
Listen. No, Mr. Achakzai,
See the-
you raised Balochistan. Now I want to ask you a simple question. Do you respect the word of the Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah? Do you? Do you respect his word?
Which was
Your Quaid-e-Azam.
absolutely clear. Even
Absolutely.
man-
All right. Now let me
intelligence could
let me
gather
go
that
one step.
India is
Let me
interfering
go
in our internal
Let me go
affairs.
one step further. Let me go one step further. This is Pakistani documents. On the 4th of August 1947, Governor General designate Mr. Jinnah's office issued a statement saying that the Khan of Kalat would be granted independence on the 5th of August, and that an agreement to this effect would be signed the same evening. On the 5th of August, on the 4th, please. I didn't interrupt you. I didn't interrupt you. Listen to me. It is your Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He said this. He said this. On the same day, an agreement was signed between the Dominion of Pakistan and the Khan of Kalat. No, please, you are interrupting me. You are interrupting me. Let me complete. There was an agreement signed between the Khan of Kalat and the Dominion of Pakistan in which Jinnah said, you recognize the independence of Kalat and that it will conduct its own foreign relations. So I feel very strongly about the rights of the Baluchis. They were usurped by you.
Okay.
Jinnah promised them independence.
Pakistan, Kashmir.
Jinnah promised them independence.
The UN has said it.
You took it over illegally.
There are
You took it over illegally.
Indian troops.
You took it over illegally. Then why did Jinnah on 4th of August sign an agreement?
Okay, we are going off track. We are going off track. But we are going off track. On the issue, I would like to ask Professor Wizarat.
Let me complete to Dawood. Dawood is
Okay, you speak and Ms. Wizarat and Haris Nawaz will respond. Can we have them, please?
I will allow our Pakistani guests.
Please. Now, I think I allow the Pakistani guests. I'll allow the guests from Karachi in, please. One
Do
second.
not lecture Pakistan on human rights. Do not teach democracy to Nepal. Do not teach good values, human rights values.
Mr. Haris, Brigadier Nawaz, I am also very keen that you come into the debate. I assure you it is not because of any reasons for want of trying, but Mr. Achakzai is participating quite enthusiastically in the debate. Haris Nawaz and Professor Wizarat, you understand today the ignominy that you are in. The United Nations has said that after Osama bin Laden, you are giving patronage and a safe haven to Dawood Ibrahim, a person associated with the Islamic State and the Al-Qaeda. You have to take it seriously. You have no choice, Ms. Wizarat and Brigadier Haris Nawaz, to take it seriously. You can't make it a matter of prestige out here. It's the same United Nations you go crying to, as I said. Ms. Wizarat and Brigadier Haris Nawaz. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead. And tell us why you are giving him such hospitality.
Osama bin Laden, I think the United States and everybody, even the allied troops commander in Afghanistan, they said that Pakistan did not know about the presence of Osama bin Laden, and that was proved later on. So that
I think Partha, that's a good joke. That's a good joke.
And then the point is that about this Mr. Dawood you're talking about, you are showing the picture of Dubai. I think he had a marriage of his daughter in Dubai. He was present there. Why didn't the Indians had the guts to go and arrest him there? Because he has been living for quite some time. Your international media was there. Your entire international media, your Indian media was there. You knew that is happening. He is there.
Mr. Nawaz.
Why didn't you have the guts to go and arrest him?
Mr. Nawaz.
Another point.
Mr. Nawaz, Dawood Ibrahim.
He has been in South Africa, all over the world. and you people have never raised question. It's just question of Pakistan bashing.
No,
because you want that Pakistan to diversion from Kashmir, then Balochistan, whatever is happening should be gained a point, should be given here. And again, you raise a point.
Are concerned because Dawood Ibrahim is a part of the biggest drug network, narcotics network.
Yeah.
And let me tell you, nobody is excited. At least I am not excited about this latest disclosures from the UN or latest UN
around 23 years.
The Americans have come around or the Westerners have come around in this.
What happened to Babri Masjid? What happened to Gujarat?
Because there is a congruency of interest. The
Why don't you arrest them? Why don't you hand over to Pakistan? You are making a bargaining
with terrorist activities have now started impacting on the West.
Warlord.
All that opium that is smuggled through Afghanistan, it is peddled to Dawood's network. So much so that his nephew, Sohail Kaskar, was arrested in US few months back. And you know what he was trying to do? He was trying to sell these drugs and use that money to buy surface-to-air missiles for an underground Colombian revolutionary organization. That is the terrorism.
Haris Nawaz, I'd like Professor Ms. Wizarat to come in.
Therefore, there is a congruency of
RSN, Professor Wizarat, Professor Wizarat and Maruf Raza, please, 1 second. Professor Wizarat, you know what happens in circumstances like this.
I just wanted to say,
Ms. Wizarat, can I just make an observation here before you come?
It's very good to hear that.
Yeah, Mr. Wizarat, I just want to tell you.
It's very good to hear that India has suddenly realized the importance of United Nations role. And I hope that they are going to give as much importance to the resolutions passed by United Nations on Kashmir issue. India is certainly giving a lot of attention to this confirmation, whatever you call that,
Ms. Wizarat,
of address.
Ms. Wizarat, the 1948, I don't want to keep repeating this, but I say this to every Pakistani panelist nowadays. The discussion is not on Kashmir, it's on Dawood, but as far as Kashmir is concerned, 1948 UN Security Council Resolution 47 adopted by the UN Commission on Kashmir, UNCIP, with the consent and approval of the governments of India and Pakistan, provided for a UN supervised plebiscite to determine the future of political and constitutional status of Jammu and Kashmir, recommended that in order to have impartiality, Pakistan must remove its forces, right, from all portions of Kashmir which are unfortunately under your control. Also, secondly, the UN resolution is non-mandatory in nature. You know what Kofi Annan has said, and you know that, exactly the history of that. Let's not go there. On the issue of Dawood, Ms. Wizarat, I'm asking you, on the issue of Dawood,
then why are we
on the issue of Dawood, Ms. Wizarat, I'm asking you.
Why are we paying so much attention to what the UN has said about Ibrahim?
No, because Ms. Wizarat, for the simple reason that we take the UN seriously. The UN said that you first withdraw all your troops, then we'll have a plebiscite. Simple. So we take it seriously. I'm asking you, you know what happened in the case of Osama bin Laden. You were globally, you were the laughing stock, Ms. Wizarat, for a long time. Do you want India? Or do you want a global force? Or do you want a global anti-terror force? Can I not be interrupted, please, for a minute, Mr. Achakzai? I'm asking the question to the lady, please, can she answer? Professor Wizarat, please tell me. You didn't listen to America. They took out Osama bin Laden. You thought you could hide him. They went in, they eliminated him, they picked it up. You were embarrassed. You were the global laughing stock. Now tomorrow another global anti-terror group, which may or may not include India, may do the same thing with Dawood. What will you do then?
Actually,
we may do the same thing with Dawood. Then what will you do?
Americans did not know. Americans did not know anything about Osama bin Laden. And Pakistan government also had, I think, very little clue.
Where is Abbottabad? No. Where is Abbottabad? Is Abbottabad in Russia? Is Abbottabad in Russia?
The Americans accept that the Pakistan government did not.
But why are you doing this? But ma'am, why are you doing this? You must cooperate. You have to cooperate. Maruf, you have to cooperate. Now the UN has given the addresses out. You have to fall in line. You have no choice. Let's get Maruf into the debate.
We want, all right, Mr. Arnab, we want, if we claim
Professor,
that we want to arrest the people who blew up the train, will you hand them over to us? Then we can go hunt all over the world and find Ibrahim Dawood for you.
you know, unlike
We'll
you,
do it
unlike you, India does not live in denial when it comes to Samjhauta and acts against all the accused, even if it was seen by some people to be politically inconvenient. The Samjhauta blast case is under investigation and trial. The NIA has filed the charge sheet. We act on the law. I am asking you about Dawood. Please tell me, Maruf, tell me, Dawood is believed to be sick, to be running a mafia empire. Some people believe he's become a liability for the Pakistani establishment now. Why are they hiding him? Can you explain, or Partha explain, why are the Pakistani... Okay, Partha, I'm just, after Maruf, I'll get you in on that. And then let's debate that. Maruf, what do they gain by keeping Dawood? Yeah.
I want to simply ask you one question. What incentive
I'll request to be given just...
Incentive?
Arnab, can I request for a minute or so? Then I'll just give you my... because I waited 40 minutes. Okay. Well, thank you very much. Now, what I want to say is that, you know, these are a couple of facts that are known, which are in the public domain. I don't know some of the more details that are available to intelligence agencies and the dossiers, etc., that they've put in. But quite clearly, Dawood Ibrahim, by various accounts and that of the biographer who put together from Dongri to Dubai his life story, is very clearly, very deeply linked with not just the underworld racket, but also at political level with various politicians, and therefore allowing them to get the benefit of a certain amount of illegal trade that happens between India and Karachi and elsewhere. He has a great control over it, and therefore is a financial wizard in his own rights by various accounts, including a review that I read in the Dawn. The second point which we must deliberate further on, that by Mr. Shahryar Khan's own admission some years ago, that Dawood Ibrahim had left Pakistan. That means he was in Pakistan, therefore he had left Pakistan. Now he's been in and out of Pakistan for 23 years. Apparently has 29 passports.
The seriousness of the issue is that we have
Mr. Achakzai,
and you are not want to
Mr. Achakzai,
that is the problem.
Mr. Achakzai,
if I would love to have your view on that.
Mr. Achakzai,
and that is why you are avoiding the question.
Mr. Achakzai,
do we have a smoking gun?
Mr. Achakzai,
yes. I'm really sorry.
Mr. Achakzai, will you shut up and listen to somebody else?
I don't want to listen to the...
I can't understand. Arnab, why do you get these crap heads on your show?
You are a guy in our custody.
I want to talk normally to them, but they just don't allow anybody to speak.
This is why you...
I'm sorry.
Listen.
Mr. Achakzai, you want to debate about Kashmir, or you want to debate about Dawood?
Mr. Achakzai, please, 1 second, let's not get personal on the debate. Go back to the subject right now.
You are constantly in a state of denial,
Mr. Achakzai,
and you blabber along. I don't know why you are invited to these shed shows. You're an absolute embarrassment, and you are absolutely shallow and facts.
Proxies are no more. You have no proxies.
You just don't. What do you want to talk about? You want to talk about Kulbhushan Kharbanda? Let me tell you, you kidnapped him from Shabar. You asked the Iranians. You asked the world. You want to talk about Kashmir? Go and read the damn UN resolution. You're a bunch of bloody parrots. You don't know anything, and you just parrot away the line that ISI tells you to parrot. You should be ashamed of yourself. You're a bunch of nincompoops. I don't know why you are on this show.
I'll get the satellite.
Would you please give me one factual correction to what I'm saying? Dawood has 29 passports, out of them more than 11 are of Pakistan. Dawood has been traveling to Africa on a Mali passport. You have allowed him to travel in and out. He runs a business empire from Pakistan. He had fathered the Karachi project against India. He is also used by the Lashkar-e-Toiba.
He is used by other terrorist
That's
groups
right.
to get inside account and also have given him connectivity to the Indian Mujahideen. Now, can you deny
Aris
all
Nawaz.
this? All you want to do is keep blabbering on about Kashmir. Fine. You want to have a debate on Kashmir? Let's have a debate on Kashmir. I'll tell you para, chapter and verse about the Kashmir story. You decide what you want to debate on.
No, but Haris Nawaz, why do you keep this man? What do you gain? Why are you protecting him? Globally, we are not asking you the question. The whole world is asking you the question.
The point is,
Haris
if
Nawaz.
you're talking about 29 passports, then see who has issued them. He has been going all over the country.
I'll get
Why
Partha
don't
on
you
that.
go and arrest
Partha.
him there?
Partha, can you tell us?
Pakistan,
No, one second.
Everywhere you go,
Partha's been High Commissioner.
Pakistan.
Partha's been
more than 11.
Partha's been High Commissioner.
More than 11 passports are of Pakistani origin. आप पता तो करिए. All the details are there.
You were covering all over the media. Why didn't you go at that time?
Entry.
You were very happily covering all.
Brigadier.
His daughter was not just married in Dubai. The function was also held in Karachi. जावेद मेहंदाद की बेटी से शादी कराई है.
Responsible of the killing of 140 children
The function
in
happened in
Peshawar,
Dubai and
the
you are
army
in
public
Indian
school.
media and-
You are the people who are responsible of killing in Balochistan.
RSN.
Where 62 top lawyers of the Balochistan High Court. The entire crop was chopped off. You were responsible. It was Kulbhushan Yadav
you have had
network
Pakistanis
which
for it.
destroyed Balochistan, and
But
Modi,
for that
by
school
making
attack
a
in
statement
Peshawar, you have
on the
hanged
15th of
Pakistanis.
August, has accepted the position, has
Then you
accepted
have-
categorically that
you
are
have a
involved
national action
in the
plan
injustice
going on.
and in the
It is
intervention
against
of Pakistan.
Pakistanis.
You are
You
a
have
very
an ongoing
unpleasant
operation
neighboring
called
country.
Operation
Very
Zarb-e-Haq.
unpleasant
It is
neighboring
again
country.
against Pakistanis.
And that is
You
your
have
government
Rangers
democracy.
deployed in Karachi. It is again against Pakistanis.
You don't want to
And you
speak
are
to us.
blaming
You don't
India.
want to
I
speak
don't
to
know. I mean,
reality
somehow
to
I
the
cannot
Indian people.
reconcile this
You have
logic.
shut our mics. You don't want us to
Mullah
speak, but the
Mansoor
world
was
knows
drawn
the
by
reality.
Americans
International
in
community
your
knows the
territory,
reality. All
and
the people of
you
conscience
say that
who have
it was
some
India's
respect for
handiwork.
human rights, who have
I
some
cannot
respect for
understand.
democracy, knows what symbolic democracy is happening right now in Kashmir. That is
Oh,
what you
Mr.
want
Achakzai,
divert.
Oh my
please,
God. Oh
please
my
don't
God.
lecture us on the
Fantastic.
merits of your democracy.
Fantastic.
I think you need to teach a lesson or two to a dictatorship, how to run a quasi-democracy.
Did you
For
allow-
heaven's sake,
did
get
you
honest.
allow
And let me tell you,
people to
you are
vote?
denying about Osama bin Laden's
Did you allow
presence.
people-
It was the only time in your history, after the humiliating defeat of 71, that your military brass was there in your National Assembly, apologetic in front of your politicians, that despite all the claims of superiority, they could not detect American helicopters coming in to pick up Osama bin Laden. That is the level of deep ties the military had with bin Laden.
Partha, 1 second. Let's get in Partha here. Partha,
You must have been there in the National Assembly, Mr. Achakzai.
Partha, you know Clifton.
From your memory.
No, one second. Can I, Mr. Achakzai, take a break for a minute? I'm getting in Partha here. Partha said he has enjoyed hospitality in Pakistan for 5 years. Achakzai ji, listen to him.
Kashmir progressing.
Mr. Achakzai, take a break. Mr. Achakzai, please.
Pakistani flag.
Mr. Achakzai, please.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Right. Pakistan Zindabad. Now you'll say Dawood Zindabad after some time. Partha.
Indian leaders are students of Chanakya.
Okay.
And they have learned from us Shastra. that if you have
Okay,
discussed
I'll have a serious discussion here.
within
My
the
question to
country
you, and
Janta
this is
not
important.
happy, show them some
Can you
mythical enemy.
please tell us?
Pakistan as a mythical enemy in order to introduce a galvanizing and a cementing politics in India. You know it that Pakistan is a friendly country. Pakistan is a peaceful country. Pakistan is a country which would fulfill its international obligation, and yet you paint Pakistan as a mythical enemy, as a poisonous enemy, so that in your own country, which is dying with hunger, which is dying with poverty, which is dying with subnationality, to introduce a galvanizing and cementing politics in India. And that is the philosophy of Chanakya, who gave this philosophy across our hills. He was our next door neighbor from Texla. He was born in Texla and he was incriminated in Texla.
Because you don't have any answer.
This is really.
Taxila was a part of India. Don't forget that.
Anyway, you know, one sec, please. Next you'll say Alexander the Great was also working out of Islamabad for the ISI. Just wait a minute.
So I think we have won the
now Partha, on a serious note.
Now I think we have
Kasuri ji, please. Partha, on a serious note. On a serious note, Clifton is in a very heavily guarded area. No, one second. Clifton is in a very heavily guarded area. I am told, though I haven't been there. I am told, Mr. Kasuri, 2 minutes, please. Can I have someone else, please, on the
Magla Road, Islamabad.
Mr. Kasuri,
I am living on the Magla Road from last 35 years.
Mr. Kasuri, I am telling you, I don't want to be rude to you.
By name, Dawood Ibrahim living in my vicinity.
Thank you very much. I told you I am not surprised that Dawood is living in your vicinity. I am not surprised tomorrow if you take a... I will not be surprised, Mr. Kasuri, if you are taking morning walks with him. I am not surprised. I will not be surprised if both of you go to the same Clifton Medical Center, have the same biryani in the same place, or go to the Karachi Police Club. I won't be surprised if you go and enjoy the sunset together and have a walk in the sand. That's not my question. Okay, next time you'll say I go to the Chinatown restaurant also with Dawood Ibrahim. Now that's not one of my interests. So please calm down. My question is to Mr. Partha on a serious note. Partha, can you tell me? Partha, see, this is a threat to Mr. Kasuri. I don't appreciate this. Thank you. Partha, my simple question to you is: this area where he stays is close to the British, Indonesian, Iranian, German consulate. All are within a 3 to 5 kilometer radius of his house. This is a guarded area, very heavily guarded area. Has he stayed in one place? Do they keep moving him because there were reports? See, the gentleman there said who is providing him the passports, who is facilitating his entry and exit from Pakistan.
Yes. Let me answer this in detail.
Yeah.
I lived in 63 Clifton.
Yeah.
70 Clifton was the Bhutto household, the family household. That has been inherited by the son. It hasn't gone to Benazir. Now, the fact of the matter is all the European diplomatic missions and their residences are around that locality. Now, if you go to that quadrangle where there's this Jinnah's, this thing on faith, unity and discipline, on the right is the Defense Housing Society. Now, we knew where he was living. I have been past that house, and my Pakistani driver said, "Yahan aapke mafia wale rehte hain." Everybody in that locality knows. At that point in time, they didn't know his name.
For God's sake.
But that it was a Bombay mafia man who was protected. Later on,
nobody knows,
when this got known,
ever seen him.
No.
There's no idea.
Just a minute. We have photographs
I live at
of him.
Clifton. How can you talk about it? I know where he's living. There is no question. He is not in Pakistan, and Pakistan can't afford. We are only fighting a war of terrorism. We are a victim of terrorism. So we can't afford that even anybody staying in Pakistan and the world focusing on that. Therefore, there is no question. And I always repeat, when he was in Africa, when he was in Dubai, why didn't you go? You didn't have the guts to go and then arrest him over there. You say he married his daughter. He was in Dubai. Everybody knows it. What happened there?
Please.
And who has issued 19 pass?
Please.
Just stop doing ISI phobia. I think ISI is working. That's why people are worried.
Please remember.
Give a credit. It's known ISI of the entire world.
Please remember that it was on 2003 that he was declared an international terrorist. Thereafter, we could go after him anywhere. Maybe we'll go after him in Karachi one day. I don't know. That's a different story. But I want to come back to one basic thing.
Your country has not been able to even put blame on him. Still, your courts have not decided that he is an accused.
Just a minute.
If it is United Nations has done it, but you haven't done it. Your courts are still fighting their case.
Please.
You have not been finalized in 21 years.
Please read a book by General Asif Nawaz's brother, Shuja Nawaz. Asif Nawaz was the army chief that time. Shuja Nawaz makes it very clear.
That's your false dossier. We've got a live proof.
Please read Shuja Nawaz. He's based his book on memoirs from Asif Nawaz. At that point in time, the Americans threatened to declare you a terrorist state, blaming General Javed Nasir for the Bombay attacks. Nawaz Sharif was being ousted by Asif Nawaz. Asif Nawaz died, and then Kakar threw him out because of the involvement of Asif Nawaz, of General Javed Nasir. Javed Nasir was thrown out. So we know about the involvement. It's there written by your people. One last point.
Javed
During
Nasser,
his 11 please, sir, I didn't.
Was my
Please, sir.
school days friend. We virtually grew together. I know Javed Nasser from last 60 years. He's a
Then
very
you had bad
upright
company
man.
in school.
He's a very
You had
God-fearing
bad company in school.
He's from
You had very
Tablighi
bad
Jamaat,
company in school.
who preaches nothing but peace and prosperity
I see.
and
But then
goodwill.
why did Shujana
He's a holy man.
Why does your former
He is my
army
childhood
chief
friend.
brothers,
I know him so
brothers say this?
intimately.
Brother, he's no longer alive, he's dead.
Yeah, but
so we can't ask him. No, the last point. Last point. On Osama bin Laden.
No answer.
On Osama bin Laden.
Even
Osama bin Laden.
Maruf Saeed preaches peace in Pakistan. Even Hafiz Saeed
Would you
does.
like to talk about?
Orna, by that yardstick, Hafiz Saeed is also a holy man because he also gave peace sermons in
Maruf,
Pakistan.
let me complete.
And so is Maulana Masood Azhar. And so was Osama bin Laden.
On Osama bin Laden, his fourth wife. On Osama bin Laden, his fourth wife, who produced 4 children.
You have never been able
2
to
of them in military hospitals.
The team went to Pathankot and you did not give any.
Has confessed producing 4 children.
Complete
He
inquiry.
lived there with his 4 wives and 10 children, and you didn't know about him.
You have no proof. You have dossier.
You didn't know about
false
him.
dossier.
There is every proof. Do you know how the UN has arrived at this?
Well, you know, RSN.
Do you know how the UN has arrived at it?
No, first Osama bin Laden.
Compared the intelligence inputs of various countries.
Your establishment
Achakzai.
And reconfirmed
you
it.
want any proof?
What is the method? How the UN?
Mr. Achakzai, first Osama bin Laden, then Hafiz Saeed. First Osama bin Laden, then Hafiz Saeed.
Why Dawood Ibrahim is important to you?
Can you say that he is not a serving officer? Can you say that he is not a raw agent? Can you say that he was not arrested in Balochistan? Come on. You must be joking yourself. You must be joking with the people of India.
Because your economy is
RSN,
red, 90% out of every rupee
RSN, in conclusion, I will tell the Pakistanis about the 4 holy men they are keeping or have kept there. Holy man number 1, Mr. Kasuri, I am not referring to you. Holy man number 1, Osama bin Laden. Holy man number 2, Hafiz Saeed.
One holy man, Gulbashan Yadav.
Holy man number 3, Maulana Masood Azhar. Holy man number 4, Dawood Ibrahim. And holy man number 5, Zakir Rahman Lakwi. The UN findings only show that you have one thing on your biodata. You are a country which specializes in protecting terrorists and criminals of the worst order. You are not even 1 inch from being declared a terrorist state. I think you leave it to us to deal with Dawood Ibrahim. We know how to deal with him. I thank you all for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you.